Business growth and cost efficiency. Both of these are impossible without the right partner. And when it comes to marble and granite, Shreeram Stone and Company is your trusted partner. Since 1987, our experience has not only built quality, but also boosted our clients' profits. Our global presence gives us a unique advantage. We import premium quality marble from 14 plus countries and export to 21 plus countries. This global network allows us to deliver the best materials at the lowest prices. Our factories in Kishangar, North India, and Ongole, South India, are equipped with highly advanced technology. These production units are designed to minimize production costs and maximize quality. This efficiency allows us to offer our clients competitive pricing. Having our own Alaska granite mines means you get high-quality granite directly from the source, reducing your costs even further. Our 5-step quality assurance process ensures that you receive only the best materials. With strict quality checks at every stage, we minimize wastage, resulting in more savings for your business. We collaborate with dealers and warehouses, a partnership focused on business growth. We don't just supply materials, we empower you with better pricing, marketing support, and sales growth. Our materials are trusted in some of the world's most iconic projects, including the new Indian Parliament, Jewar International Airport, and premium developments by DLF and Oberoi Realty. Our mission is to optimize your project's cost efficiency without compromising on quality. Whether you're building a home or a large-scale project, we provide customized solutions. For builders, we help reduce project costs by 15 to 20%. For homeowners, we offer free consultation and marble layout drawings to minimize both wastage and cost. We offer a wide range of imported marble starting at just Rs 130 per square foot, ensuring that every budget has a premium quality option. Our new initiative, Stone Expert, guides you in marble installation, wastage reduction, and smart investments in granite and marble, helping you save money. Our CEO, Mr. Ankit Singhal, is dedicated to optimizing business and project costs. As the author of Asia's first marble industry-focused book, Secrets of the Marble Industry, he has set a benchmark in the field. Shreeram Stone, your growth partner. We help you scale your business, maximize your savings, and ensure top-tier quality, trust, and efficiency. Partner with us and maximize your profits on every project.